everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explore inventory control in Odoo. Inventory control helps businesses maintain accurate records and improve warehouse operations. Today we will cover lots, serial numbers, physical inventory count, inventory adjustment, packages, scrap management, put-away rules, and removal strategies. Let's get started. First, open the inventory module. This is the inventory dashboard. It gives us quick access to all inventory operations. First, we need to enable lots and packages. To enable lots and packages, go to Configuration and then select Settings. In this case, packages are already enabled. Next, search for lots. Lots is also enabled. And save this. Next, we need to create a product using lot tracking. Go to Products and select the product. Click New. Enter the product name. I'll use of laptop as an example. Next, choose the product type. Since we want to keep this item in stock, I'll select Goods. Set tracking to by lots and save the product. A lot number is used to track products in batches. For example, if 20 laptops arrive from the same supplier at the same time, they can all be assigned to one lot number. This makes it easier to trace the entire batch whenever required. Now let's receive products using a lot number. Go to Operations, then Receipts. Click New. Select ABC Supplier as the supplier. Add the product laptop with a demand quantity of 20. Open Detailed Operations and enable View button. Now we can see the View button and click the View button. Create a new lot named Lot 001 and assign a quantity of 20. Now save the receipt and click Validate. The products are now received into inventory with the assigned lot number, allowing us to trace the entire batch whenever required. Now let's verify products. Go to Reporting and select Stocks. Under the stock report, we can see that the laptop product now has an on-hand quantity of 20 units. This confirms that the products have been successfully received into inventory. Now let's perform physical inventory count. Go to Operations and select Physical Inventory. Physical inventory compares the quantity recorded in Odoo with the actual quantity available in the warehouse. Suppose we physically counted only 18 laptops instead of 20. We'll enter 18 as the counted quantity and click Apply. Odoo automatically created an inventory adjustment because the physical count was different from the system quantity. This ensures that inventory records always match the actual stock available in the warehouse. Now let's verify the inventory adjustment. Go to Reporting and select Stock. Notice that the on-hand quantity has changed from 20 units to 18 units. Odoo automatically created an inventory adjustment based on the physical count. This ensures that inventory records always remain accurate and match the actual warehouse stock. Now let's create a product with serial numbers. I'll use mouse as an example. The product type is again Goods. This time under Tracking, I'll select by unique serial number. Unlike lot numbers, every serial number uniquely identifies a single product. Serial numbers are commonly used for warranty management, product servicing, and complete product traceability. Let's save the product. Now let's receive products with serial numbers. Click Operations and select Receipt. Click New. Select a supplier. I'll select ABC Supplier. Click Add a Product and select the product, mouse, and assign the quantity as 3. Click View. We'll assign the serial numbers SN001, SN002, SN003. After assigning the serial numbers, click Save and Validate. Now each mouse has its own unique identity inside Odoo. Next, let's create a package. Open Projects and select Packages. Click New. I'll create a package with the reference PKG001. Packages allow multiple products to be grouped together for storage, internal transfers, and shipping. Instead of moving products individually, warehouse staff can handle the complete package, making warehouse operations much more efficient. Click Save. Now suppose one laptop becomes damaged and can no longer be sold. Instead of deleting the product, we'll create a scrap operation. Go to Operations and select Scrap. Click New. Select the product, laptop. Select quantity, 1. Select source location. Select scrap reason. Save. And confirm. Now let's configure a put-away rule. Go to Configuration, then select Put-away rules. Click New. Set arrival location WH/stock. Set store to Rack A. Select the product laptop, and then click Save. Put-away rules automatically determine where incoming products should be stored. I'll create a rule where any incoming laptop received into WH/stock will automatically be placed in Rack A. This eliminates manual storage decisions and improves warehouse efficiency. Next, let's configure a removal strategy. Go to Configuration and select Categories. Then click New. Open the Electronics product category. Under the Logistics tab, select FIFO, which stands for First In, First Out. FIFO ensures that the oldest inventory leaves the warehouse first. Odoo also supports LIFO, or Last In, First Out, where the newest inventory is removed first. Another option is FIFO, which stands for First Expired, First Out. FIFO is commonly used for products with expiration dates, such as food, beverages, and medicines, ensuring that products closest to their expiration date are used or shipped first. And save this. Finally, let's verify everything we've configured. Go to Reporting and select Stock. From the stock report, we can confirm that the laptop product is configured as a goods product with lot tracking enabled. Next, open the Locations report. Here we can verify that lot 001 is stored in Rack A. Finally, under lots and serial numbers, we can see lot 001 for the laptop product, along with the serial numbers SN001, SN002, and SN003 for the mouse product. This confirms that our inventory tracking configuration is working correctly. Throughout this video, we've explored some of the most important inventory control features available in Odoo. We performed physical inventory counting, adjusted stock quantities, tracked products using lot and serial numbers, created packages, scrapped damaged inventory, configured put-away rules, and learned about FIFO, LIFO, and FEFO removal strategies. These features help businesses maintain accurate inventory records, improve warehouse efficiency, and ensure complete product traceability. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.